I'm at the top of Larkstoke Hill in Warwickshire, also known as Ebrington Hill, and the views from the top of this hill are absolutely spectacular. There's more incredible views on the way up the hill. This view from Nebsworth Lane, just outside of Ilmington, and also equally spectacular views on the way back down the hill, this looking to Park Lane, also heading towards Ilmington. On a very clear day like today, you can see over 50 miles, looking at the moment towards Hereford and Ludlow direction. And we're also going to take a look at a 360-degree view from about 150 feet up. Larkstoke Hill is actually the climb from the bottom of the hill at Park Lane all the way up to the very summit of the hill. And so, starting our ascent from Park Lane, we're going to climb a total of about 150 meters to a total height of 856 feet, or 261 meters above sea level. The top of the hill is the highest point in Warwickshire, and in fact it's the highest road in Warwickshire. And the top of the hill is very close to the Gloucestershire boundary, and at one time the top of the hill was actually in Gloucestershire, but now, since boundary changes about 120 years ago, it's back in Warwickshire. There's an Ordnance Survey trig point at the top of the hill also, and this is just off the road, about 50 metres off the road in a farmer's field. I think Larkstoke is a lovely, unusual name, and it comes from the medieval settlement which was about halfway up this hill and became abandoned, and in the 1500s was completely deserted. There are two properties on the side of this hill in the most fantastic locations, again looking out over these fabulous views. And just as we look now over the top of the hedge on the right hand side, you can see the top of a communications mast, and that shows us that we're coming to the top of the hill and out onto the flat section of the road, and this is the highest point. At the very top of the hill you have this old and very interesting stone gate post, which apparently has an Ordnance Survey benchmark near the base somewhere. And just a few yards down the public footpath and looking to the right, you come across the triangulation point, the trig, which has this benchmark here at the bottom, and then the mounting plate on the top. The Larkstoke transmitting station is also situated at the top of the hill, and can be seen for miles around, and this transmits both mobile signal and TV signals. Let's now return to these absolutely stunning views, this time from about 150 feet above the summit, and let's take in 360 degrees of this fabulous sight.